Hello everyone. Welcome to Algorithmic Mindset. Imagine this. You walk into a coding interview. The interviewer asks a simple problem. Reverse a linked list. You freeze. The room goes silent. And then But don't worry, because today I'll show you how to prepare for DSA step by step and make sure you ace those interviews. So why is DSA even important? Let me break it down. Imagine you're looking for a word in a dictionary. You have two options. Flip through every single page one by one until you find it. This is called linear search. Or you could use some brain cells and split the dictionary in half repeatedly until you find the word. This is binary search. And that's the whole point, efficiency. In coding, algorithms are the difference between your program running in seconds or making the recruiter say, next. Now, here's how to start learning DSA. First, focus on the theory. I highly recommend the Princeton University Algorithms course on Coursera, but be careful. Don't try to finish both algorithms 1 and 2. I made that mistake, and trust me, the interviewer won't ask you to explain advanced graph theory. Speaking of mistakes, let me tell you what not to do when learning DSA. Mistake 1, overloading yourself with advanced topics. Don't try to learn every algorithm under the sun. Mistake 2, thinking DSA is enough. Knowing DSA doesn't mean you'll ace the interview. Coding is only half the battle. Yes, DSA is crucial, but cracking interviews isn't just about coding skills. You also need to prepare for behavioral and system design interviews. Okay, so what should you focus on? Here's the roadmap. Start with linear data structures, arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues. Move to algorithms like sorting, searching, recursion. Gradually work on trees, heaps, and graphs. Finish with advanced algorithms like dynamic programming and greedy algorithms. Now, let me give you some resources to learn DSA based on your budget. If you're looking for paid options, the Algorithms 1 and 2 courses on Coursera are gold standards. If you prefer free resources, check out Abdulbari's YouTube playlist. If you're overwhelmed by all these resources, don't worry, we're starting our very own DSA series right here on this channel. So, if you're serious about mastering DSA, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss an episode of this series. The key to DSA mastery? Practice. Start with easy problems on LeetCode, then move to mediums, and finally tackle hards. And remember, consistency is everything. Even if you solve one problem a day, you'll improve. Remember, the road to your dream job isn't easy, but it's worth it. Don't let rejection stop you. Keep coding, keep learning, and keep leveling up. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe.